here it is, a look at the most trending products right now that we can take, pull, and start drop shipping on our Shopify store. This list is crazy powerful because in the past what we had to do is we had to just take products, test as many as we could until we found that right one that started clicking, and then we would roll with that and kind of push it through our store as much as possible until we have sold out as much of the market as we could. But now we have a look in the back end, we see the stats, which products are trending, and how to hop on that demand curve before it really takes off and get in on the trend before these products go viral. So let's take a look at a couple of products that are really trending right now and about to go viral. And as you can see, you can tell right here in the little green what the percentage increase in orders is from the factory. And we have 350% on these little auto cord clips, 250% on this paintball helmet, a cool little Jeep bag here that's trending up 180%. And then the last one over here is a windshield or a headlight cleaner that's up 600%. And I really like this headlight cleaner because obviously 600% is a lot better jump than some of these other numbers. So I want to go ahead and take a look at this product. We're going to add it to favorites. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to download a CSV of this product and upload it directly to my Shopify store. So that I can go ahead and sell this product. It's going to give me the images, the description, and I'm going to edit that around a little bit to make it look professional and put a little twist on it, add maybe a few sentences about the product to make it personal, and really just make sure that my Shopify store looks professional, guys, because that's going to be a big thing with making people want to buy my product. And it's not that hard to make your store look professional. You just need a real basic Shopify template, and then a couple little apps that I like to add here and there that really help my Shopify store stand out, like the Hector Trust badge. I also like to have the currency converter because that shows different currencies on my store. It shows that I can sell to different countries, and that really makes my store look legit. And then just having a nice professional design also helps quite a bit. If the store looks professional, looks nice, then people will definitely want to buy from it. So I'm not going to do a tutorial here on how to set up your Shopify store, but you can do that for free with a 2-week free trial. And you can also get a free trial on Shop Inspect and go ahead and start using both of these tools in combination to start finding the right products and selling for free. You can scale this up easily to $500 a day by finding the right products here and really growing the right products in the right places. And I'm going to show you a marketing strategy that I use that's also 100% free, guys. There's going to be no, you're not paying to play here. You are just kind of finding the right ways to not hack, but to work this and to grow this steadily without pain, so that once you start getting profits, you can reinvest those and you can make more money and scale this up and scale this up and scale it further and grow your business to easily $500 a day. So, once we have our product that we found, the next step is going to be to go over and head over to Facebook, and we're going to find Facebook groups that we want to market this product in. So now that we are over here in Facebook, I have gone to my search panel and I've typed in cars. Now I've also scrolled over on the top here to groups because we want to sort just by groups, and we want to find groups with car enthusiasts, people that really love cars, because these are the people that are going to want to buy our product. They're going to want to use it. They're going to go to our store and they're going to buy it from us because we're going to become friends with people in this group. We're really going to hit it off with them, make a connection, and direct them back to our Shopify store where they're going to become our initial buyers and give us that capital to really reinvest and grow our store so we can get it up past $500 a day. So we're just going to scroll through all these groups and we're going to hit join on all of them, and we're going to focus on the bigger groups, these small ones with like a few thousand members. It doesn't hurt to join them, but we really want to look for the bigger groups like 38,000 right here, 26,000. And then we scroll down 113,000 for cars and motos, secondhand cars in Kenya, 275,000 Detroit cars, so cheap cars for sale. So we really have all of these groups, and we just want to join them all. Super sports cars, I really like this group because obviously it's 230,000 members, but also it's super sports cars. So these are high-end cars. These people have money they want to spend, and they like expensive stuff, so we can sell them our product at a high margin. So I'm over here in a rideshare group, and I know we were looking at cars groups. I'm waiting to join those. As soon as you join those, you can go ahead and start becoming friends with people in the group and then dropping a link back to your product. But we're over here in a rideshare group, and everyone in this group owns cars. They drive for a living, so they're definitely willing to invest a little bit in cool products for their cars. And as I mentioned earlier, I really like, if we go back to Shop Inspect over here, I really liked the glass cleaner for the headlights, and this is selling at 88 cents to $4. We have to really find out what that price is going to be, but I'm assuming it's going to be under $2. We're going to mark it up to over 10, probably $12–14, so we get a good margin on it. And then back over here in the Uber or Lyft group, we're going to look at posts, and we're going to look at the posts that are the most viral. This one's 8 comments, 17 comments. So we really want to find groups that, you know, are getting posts with 50, 100, 200 comments. But this one is going to work just fine for now. And so we have this post right here for 32 comments about someone vaping in the car. So what we're going to do is we're going to start commenting on these posts, and we're going to leave a link back to our Shopify store. Like, we're going to say, hey, I've been driving for a while. We're going to like comment on other people's posts, and we're going to say, hey, I'm opening a store for drivers. Would you guys mind checking it out? Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think of this new product. I really liked it and I wanted to sell it. And, you know, really just give your backstory. Really just make friends as much as possible so that people want to buy from you. Maybe leave some advice in the group so that, you know, you give people something using the principle of reciprocity, and they want to give something back to you. They want to buy from you because you've been such a nice person. And then another tactic that I like even better is to go into this group now that we're in the group and we know people, and we can find out who owns the group actually. So if we go over here to about, and then we scroll down here, we're closer towards the bottom of the about page, and we can see admins and moderators. So we want to find these people. These people, you know, we want to be friends with the members, but we want to be friends with the admins and moderators even more, because these people have the power to take down posts if they don't like them. You know, so previously we were commenting on other people's posts, and you know, this could get removed if we get too spammy, but we're being friendly, we're adding value to the group, so it's not likely it gets removed. And what we want to do here is we want to make friends with these admins, and we want to say, hey, tell them about our background, how we're a rideshare driver too, and how we found this product that we really like for drivers, and we're opening a store on Shopify. We think it's really cool. And we want to post about this product in your group, and we want to give you a percentage of everything that we sell that comes through this group. So we want to track the clicks from your Facebook group that go through our Shopify store using some analytics, and we want to give you a 50% commission, a 50% payout on all of those sales. And you know, not everyone's going to say yes to this, but a lot of people are. A lot of these admins will definitely want to monetize their group. They'll want to get in on it. And you know, once you have given them some background info on you and shown them that you are a good person, a decent person, and that you're looking to grow a great store, and let them in on it, giving them a commission and a percentage, they will absolutely hop on this. And you're going to start doing this in multiple groups, not just this one. You're going to find as many different rideshare groups, as many cars groups. You're going to become a member. You're going to make friends with people in it, make friends with the admins, especially the admins. And then you're going to start posting. And you're going to start posting awesome posts that can go viral within these groups, bringing people back into your store and selling them. And this is how we generate capital for our business. And we can do this with multiple products. It doesn't just have to be the one. Once we found our niche, whether it's cars, whether it's something else, and we've joined these groups, and we are, you know, working with the admins in them to create posts, to create content. Now all of a sudden we are selling, and we are raking in a ton of money. And you know, this is really my favorite way to scale up a business, selling online in 2019, because we're not trying to do Facebook advertising. We're not trying to learn anything new. We're not guessing on products. We're not selling random products. We are selling the best product, and we are spending zero money on advertising. So this is 100% profit, 100% income. And you know, these new tools, Shop Inspect mainly, is just letting us get ahead of the competition and become so much smarter than other people that are spending way too much time trying to find products and spending way too much money on ads. So let me know if you like this video. Go ahead and hit that like button if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more Shopify e-commerce updates and more online selling tips.